Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We are learning Arabic alphabets. Arabic alphabets, Huruf al-Arabi. So far we have done 8 lessons. In 8 lessons we discussed 8 groups. In each group we discuss some letters as we are learning Arabic in groups because of the similar shape of the letters. It is lesson number 9 in which we discuss group number 9. Here we discuss two letters Ain and Ghain. But before this, let's have a look on how much letter we have done so far. In group number 1, we learned two letters Alif and Hamza. In group number 2, Ba, Ta, and Za, and Jeen, Ha, and Ha. We discussed in lesson number 3, Dal, and Zal. Discussed in lesson number 4. Ra and Za in lesson number 5, Seen and Sheen will learn is lesson number 6, Sod and Zod will learn is lesson number 7, To and Zo will learn in lesson number 8. If you not have watched these videos, you can find the link in description and in the I button. And it is a must to learn all the letters in order because all the letters in order have some relation with each other, and learning in order is a must for learning any language. So in group number 9 we discuss two next letters Ain and Ghain. Ain, Ghain. Let's try how to write it. Simple, just like joining two half circles, one small circle and one big half. Let's try again like this. Just joining two half circles in a particular shape. And Ain is without dot. Ghain we have one dot which make it different from Ain. Ain, Ghain. The equivalent of letter Ain in English is just like double A or it's oil sound. And of letter Ghain, it's a combination of two letters G, H, Gha, Gha, Gha. Phonics of Ain is just like a as it is pronounced from the middle of the throat, and Ghain is Gha, Gha, just like existing in your throat. It is pronounced from the upper part of the throat. But before moving toward the articulation point, let's discuss Ain. In group number 1, we learn two letters Hamza and Alif. Hamza and Alif. Both have a equivalent in English A, and their sound is just like A. Here is a point where Ain is confused with Hamza and Alif with for the beginners. Beginners hardly distinguish between them because they are very similar. Ain also has a equivalent in English just like A, but it is like a double A sound. Oil, oil. And phonics also just like double A. Oil. This is the difference between Hamza, Alif, and the Ain between them. And but for Ain, it has a very specific phonics and style of speaking as a native Arabic speaking in a very particular way, and it is very specific to Arabic language. No other language can speak this letter like this. Ain, Ain, like this. Now let's discuss the articulation points. Both Ain and Ghain are throat letters. If it is your nose, lips, and chin, and this is your throat. This is your throat, and this is shoulder. Then this is the upper part, upper throat. This is your middle throat. This is your lower throat towards your shoulder. Ain is pronounced from middle of the throat. Ain. Ain is a soft and little round sound. Ain. Ain. Whereas Hamza and Alif are just straight sounds. It comes from the lower throat. Hamza and Alif pronounced from lower throat, and Ain from the middle throat. And for wine, it is your upper throat where you make a proper resisted wine. Ghain. Ghain is also one of the heaviest letters of the Arabic. In Arabic, 7 letters always speaks heavy and they are called heavy letters, and Ghain is one of them. Ghain makes a resistance in your upper throat. Gha, gha, gha. Ghain. Ghaibun. Just like this. And Ain is Arabiya. Arabiya. And Alif and Hamza. Allah. Allah, you see, a straight sound comes directly from your chest, and wine make a soft and round voice in your throat, and wine from your upper throat make a more proper in your upper throat. Wine. That is enough for today. If you want to learn Arabic in bite-sized lessons, so you can learn it thoroughly, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also visit my site. Assalamu alaikum.